Hey everyone, if you want to use CapCut for free, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a super easy method that you probably haven't seen anywhere else. Let's jump right in. Make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss a single step. First, open CapCut and go to the settings icon. It's okay whether you're signed in or not. Next, find your project's file location. You can usually find the path in the details panel or by going to settings on the home screen. Copy that file path and paste it into a notepad so you don't forget it. You'll need this location to find your final video. Now, open the editing panel in CapCut. Edit your video and feel free to use all the Pro features. Once you're finished, select all the layers and clips on your timeline. Then, right-click on them and select Create Compound Clip. The clips will all merge into a single layer. Right-click on this new clip and click Pre-Process Compound Clip. You'll see a rendering percentage appear on the clip. Once it reaches 100%, your job is done. Take note of the file name of your video in CapCut. Now, close the CapCut program. Go to the file location you copied earlier and open the project folder with the name you saw in CapCut. From there, open the Resources folder, then the Combination folder. You will find a copy of your edited video here. Copy that file and use it as you wish. Thanks. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.